Tapioca is a starch extraction from the cassava plant that I always thought originated from Nigeria. This is because my family normally has this for dinner when we break our fast during Ramadan. Tapioca is actually native to Brazil. In Portuguese, it's called mandioca. When the Portuguese arrived in Brazil, they transported cassava plant from the Americas to Africa in 1558. Portuguese and Spanish colonists also spread this cassava plants to regions in the West Indies and Asia. Nowadays, tapioca is used to make some of our favorite drinks and foods we love, such as tapioca pudding in the US, bubble tea in Taiwan, Faluda in Iran, taho in the Philippines, and beiju in Brazil, all of which comprises from these cassava pearls. However, today I'm going to show you how my family makes tapioca, which is cooked in creamy coconut milk and served as a pudding. We call it mingao, as in mingao de tapioca. The ideal tapioca should look like this. The question is, am I capable of making this delicious pudding? Let's find out. The ingredients you'll need for tapioca are half a cup of tapioca pearls, a can of coconut milk, 4 cups of water, sugar or honey, condensed milk or whole milk. This is Karima from Hijabi Globetrotter, bringing the world to your kitchen. And that, my friends, is how you make mingao de tapioca. If you like what you see, you can click on the link down below for the recipe. I must warn you though, I am a storyteller, not a chef, so click at your own risk. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Hasta luego.